Yo, demons talking in my head, we bout to go and play some. Niggas talking about the game, we bout to go and rip some. No time for talk.
What's going on YouTube? As you can see by the title, you know what we doing. But right now, I'm finna go get my AC charged in the challenge. You know, I'm happy about that. Probably finna get that done. We got that boy Shine right here. Finna go drop my car off in there. Finna figure out what we gonna do for the rest of the day. See when I hit that road. We on the way, this nigga wanna block us and shit. The fuck?
I see y'all niggas out.
What's going on, y'all? I had to turn the camera back on. Sean going ahead and selling one of his cameras right now. He finna drop me off so I can go get my Charlie back. Basically, I got a leak in my AC, but they went ahead and filtered it out for me, and they couldn't find it. So they said it's like a slow leak. So I'm gonna get it. So I always fucking my shit up. He's selling his shit right now, but yeah, I'm finna I guess I'm finna just go pick it up. They said it's probably just a little leak, so just in a week come back, they gonna fix it if they find it. And yeah, man, it's a TRX over there. Stop playing with them. Fucking what the fuck? That bitch is fucking hard. As a matter of fact, let me take this off. As you can see, we getting a wash right now, and we finna head to the car meet. Devontae was mad because we was taking forever, so you already know he already there. So we got one less Dodge Charger, but it's alright. We're gonna still come trim. We waiting on our boy Tyler right now, and yeah, we finna turn up. Y'all stay tuned. As you see, I got my boy Sean out here again. I got my boy Tyler out here. You know, we lined up trim. Feel me? Then we got my boy Juan. He working right now. He can't come talk to y'all, but we're gonna have him in soon. Oh, he right there. We're gonna have him in soon videos too. Got that Hellcat, man. The blackout Hellcat. Stop playing. Trim. Yeah. We're not worried about tags. We're getting new tags soon. Don't even say nothing about it. Yeah, we just cleaned up though. Got the ashy hood in the back. Got a slick hood in the back. We lit. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get back on the road. We finna go to a car meet. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. So we in traffic, y'all, and we pass I think it's a Cam Corvette, bro. It's chopping crazy. I'm trying to get beside so I can get a video for y'all. Got my blinker on. I'm trying to get beside him, bro. It sounds crazy. Look, y'all be able to hear it. I don't know, I'm gonna take my time so y'all can hear this, bro. Goodness gracious, that junk. Holy shit, boys. That shit crazy. That junk sound crazy. Holy crap. We just recently met up with another group. And I'm finna have him come in front of us and shit. Hold on. Bro, this one do that. Came trim. We got 5 Charlies out here tearing up the city. Stop playing. Stop playing, man. We got 5 Charlies out here tearing up the city. You can see us coming, man. You can see us coming, man. You see how we coming, man. You see how we coming, man. Stop playing. We just linked up with these niggas. It just be like that out here. Come on now. You can hear that? no trim, man. Got the cat behind me. You see it, man. If I get on this baby pit bull looking at nigga, baby pit bull looking at nigga,
you got Medusa braids.
baby orangutan. I been told y'all my blades. We sweating outside, but we looking. I am a famous YouTuber.
Oh
Come
my
on, everybody
gosh,
say my name.
you can? Oh my god.
Yeah. You want my autograph and shit?
Now you gotta do like this. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Q.
They outside today. They don't brought the cars outside of there.
Hey, let me do it. Hey, get the deal on camera, bro. What's up, YouTube? We down here. Look at that.
How you doing?
And wait till my dog. I'm telling you.
He gonna bring his little shit zoo out here. Nah, just saying. He said he got an exotic mully. Put that big ass shit in here. Come on. Oh, he got the Mopar holder. That's funny. Him. With the crush. That's not a Mopar. Oh, that's a. Oh. These bitches clean as fuck, fool.
Need the GT500 pulling up.
I'm finna lose my cat. It's over. Y'all comment if me and Sean should take the cats off the challenge.
Hey, look.
Look why. Yee! That motherfucker hard as fuck. Look at the Mickeys. Nah, them ain't Mickeys. Them ain't Mickeys. They slicks though. Come on, let's keep going.
It's a Dodge. That's not making though. That's a Capri Sun. That nigga said.
Oh, they got bro over there.
That's a Capri Sun. Damn, God is. On the side.
Trying to push this content out for y'all. Chattown came crazy though with the cars today, man.
I didn't even know Chat had shit like this.
I mean, usually yeah, but it be like on and off, fool. We done went to so many car meets that's been shit, fool. This Terrell shit right here, ain't it? That motherfucker hard.
This one right here, boy.
ZR1. That's not the one we were just on the highway with.
You been gonna park by us, man.
Who? The Charlie?
Yeah. Oh, he might.
He not gonna park.
Watch out.
I thought he was about to do a burnout. I was gonna be scared. I told. Look at that truck right there, man. We got the shit box sleepers over here. He's a.
He's dropping it.
Bags, man.
That's another ZR1.
Another ZR1.
This shit so
They going crazy with the
The
car.
yellow go hard. And they got the see-through cover on the ZR1.
See-through cover.
And it stick.
Got an N5 over here. And they started acting bad in chat, man. They going crazy.
Car seat is bigger and bigger, man.
Yeah, for real out here. Mind you, fam, like, just think about all the car meets I done recorded in chat, man. It's another 5.0.
Yeah, y'all gotta put me on game about the car meet. This is
So, we're locking in.
We just gonna pass this one? We just gonna pass by this one like that shit not running?
I already recorded it.
Oh, okay.
And they got the rear bumper delete.
No, well, that's real.
Oh yeah, I'm
That's
tripping.
real. What's called? It got dumb. I bet this shit loud as fuck.
Oh, the whole
The whole thing.
the whole exhaust delete.
They jump.
Man, I would have thought it was gonna be a bust. But what you give it already? 1 out of 10. What you give it? 1 out of 10.
I mean, the car shit clean. Everybody really leaving for it, though. I wish we would have got here
1
like
out
to
of
see
10.
everybody pull in.
Yeah.
my first car meet, man, and I gotta say this like a 10.
Yeah, most definitely.
Nah, they was alright.
Yeah, for instance, just because we black don't mean we scamming and all that. We work hard. Us
out
black
here
men
grinding,
work
man.
hard.
Round up.
Fuck. But nah, this bitch right here. I'm trying to stop cussing in my video.
Cousin.
He said,
Boy, cousin.
We gonna link our YouTubes and shit before we go and shit. Lady driven. You hear that? And he got that bitch on the floor. He got that bitch on the floor. All the trucks pulling up now. Yeah, this one we need to come back through. Yeah. 5-0. I'm here with it. Like, I'm not gonna get it myself. I like them though.
I'm starting to like them. What about I8?
I8s, yeah.
I'm starting. I'm really a moped type of dude. I guess we all are though.
I follow bro on Instagram. Oh God.
And I challenge for this one.
Yeah, we are officially trading our Dodges and getting whatever the fuck this is. And yeah. With the wide body. The taped on, I meant the, what you call it? The, drilled on wide body, yes sir. Carbon hood.
You don't want a dog.
That boy Terrell pulling up. Put my shit in my tripod real quick. That boy Terrell with the he the only person in chat I done seen with the blue window. That boy shit sound real good.
He got some mouse in this shit. I swear that shit he got dogs, bro.
It sound good as fuck. It sound good as fuck, bro. That's
hard. That's hard. That's hard. You can fucking pull out. Oh, God.
See what this die's gonna do, man. And we about to wrap this video up here soon. Not much more we doing. Trying to get everything I can for y'all. Pop some more clips in here if I can. Right here. You made me miss the. God damn!
Damn, this shit moving. For real? He said that shit like 800, bro.
You made me miss it.
I'm sorry.
Fuck.
Y'all go ahead and add me on, subscribe to me. My name.
Go ahead, show him, fool. Go ahead, show him, fool.
This is my name, guys. What's your name?
Motion boy.
Happy month.
Oh, I done passed you on subscribers.
Really?
Yeah.
How many you got?
125. Side plan. We in the dub. See, that's what real friends do. They dap each other up by beating each other. Yeah. This nigga like, what's that nigga name that hug little baby?
Oh, yeah, oh, God. That shit looks so
He talking about. Look at our cars up there, man. You see him trim. Whole bunch of challenges. You see him peeking. That's face, man. Y'all see we got the red Charlie out here. Got the scat pack out here. Got the Hellcat out here. Got the Hemi RT, man. No, this the SXT. We got my boy SXT right here. We got my car. We got Tyler's shit right here. And my boy's shit right here. And we went crazy with the challenge fool. You don't see no charger up in this bitch. It's still more parking. 100% challenge, like he said. And yeah, that's how we come true. You did? Yeah. Alright, y'all, we're gonna end the video right there. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna have more videos coming for y'all soon. They acting bad out here, but yeah, y'all go like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, stay tuned for the next one. I ended up having to turn the camera back on for y'all. We come trim at the gas station. Light shit. I didn't know.